Hello and welcome to the AI with Arun Show. In this episode, we'll be talking about Reliance's latest strategic move, the launch of JioFrames. This is not just another tech gadget, it represents a major shift in Reliance's long term vision, moving from being a telecom giant to becoming a central player in India's AI native digital future. It's a physical manifestation of their AI everywhere for everyone vision designed as a wearable platform specifically for the Indian market. So, what's the strategic context? Reliance has over half a billion telecom customers, is now leveraging that massive user base to pivot towards a future defined by AI and new digital platforms. Chairman Mukesh Ambani describes AI as a third convergent technological transformation and the divine wish fulfilling cow of our age. This vision is supported by a new subsidiary, Reliance Intelligence, which is actively building large scale AI ready data centers and forming key collaborations with global tech leaders like Google and Meta. The JioFrames is a significant departure from the previous JioGlass prototype that was shown way back in 2023. The original JioGlass was an AR VR headset focused on entertainment with a 100-inch virtual display. It targeted a niche market. In contrast, JioFrames is an AI-first wearable with a focus on practical, everyday assistance. It's designed for the mass market and has no built-in display. So what can JioFrames actually do? It functions as a hands-free multilingual AI companion. It features HD cameras for photos and videos and live streaming capabilities. It has built-in open-ear speakers for audio. Now let's focus a little bit on the multilingual part because in a country like India which speaks multiple languages, this is extremely important. The multilingual AI voice assistant named RIA enables use cases tailored for daily life in India. For example, it can provide step by step cooking guidance, offer landmark information while traveling, and even perform real time language translation. It also allows for hands free calling. Now let's outline the critical distinction between GeoFrames, which we are discussing now, and GeoGlass that we just talked about that had showcased in 2023. In 2023, GeoGlass was presented, as I mentioned earlier, as an AR/VR headset with a built-in display, specifically designed to offer a 100-inch virtual display. Its primary focus was entertainment, targeting a relatively niche market of early adopters. Fast forward 2025, and Reliance has introduced JioFrames. Now, this is not a display-based AR/VR headset. Instead, JioFrames is an AI-powered camera and audio wearable. The key differentiator is that JioFrames is conceived as a practical, everyday AI assistant, moving Reliance firmly towards a mass market approach. It aims to integrate digital intelligence seamlessly into daily life, acting as a hands free, multilingual AI companion. This shift from a display centric entertainment focused device to an AI first utility driven wearable represents a significant strategic pivot for Reliance. It underscores their AI everywhere for everyone vision, extending beyond just smartphones. GeoFrames is not a standalone device. It's a gateway to a much larger interconnected digital ecosystem. All the photos and videos taken with the glasses are automatically stored on a Geo AI cloud, creating a continuous feedback loop and building ecosystem dependency. Users can then leverage the AI Create Hub to transform their photos into shareable reels and collages. Jio is also launching JioPC, a cloud computing solution that turns a TV into a computer, further unifying its hardware strategy. This platform centric approach leverages strategic partnerships with companies like Meta and Google, giving Reliance access to world class AI models without the immense development costs. The GeoFrames is a direct competitor to Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses in the consumer market. The core differentiator is not just the hardware, it's the ecosystem and the target market. GeoFrames AI assistant supports multiple Indian languages, a key advantage over Ray-Ban Meta's English, Spanish, and Italian support. While Ray-Ban Meta focuses on social sharing and entertainment, GeoFrames emphasizes practical utility. Crucially, GeoFrames is positioned as an affordable alternative to the Ray-Ban Meta's price point of over 30,000 Indian rupees. GeoFrames has a significant including its built-in market of over 500 million Jio customers. It's also positioned as an affordable option and aligns with India's national digital inclusion goals. However, it faces some key challenges, the most significant being that no price or launch date has been announced yet. The company will also need to overcome user adoption hurdles for new technology and address consumer concerns about data privacy and security with an always on camera device. To succeed, Reliance should focus on several key strategies. First, it must market the device as an entry point to a comprehensive ecosystem of cloud computing and AI services rather than as a standalone product. A bundled subscription model could be a game changer, offering the glasses at a minimal upfront cost to existing Jio customers and tying revenue to recurring cloud service fees. Reliance needs to provide concrete details on pricing and availability soon to build consumer excitement. And finally, deepening this localization effort by continuing to develop its multilingual AI and use cases tailored for Indian consumers will be critical for success against global competition. Reliance's approach to a classic co-opetition strategy, meaning cooperation plus competition. On one hand, JioFrames directly competes with Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses. On the other hand, Reliance strategically collaborates with Meta by bringing its open-source AI models to power the JioFrames AI assistant. This symbiotic relationship benefits both companies. Reliance gets state-of-the-art AI technology at lower cost, while Meta gets a massive distribution channel for its AI models in a crucial market. To conclude, JioFrames represents a strategic evolution for Reliance, showcasing its shift from a telecommunications company to a broad AI ecosystem provider. The success of this venture hinges on the ability to turn its 500 million plus user base into an engaged ecosystem, position the hardware as a gateway to profitable AI services, and most importantly, deliver on its Made for India promise by providing truly localized experiences that global competitors cannot match. With that, we come to the end of the show. Support our work by joining us as a member. But in any case, I hope that you'll continue liking, sharing, and subscribing to the AI with Arun show.